It's like 4:30 right now. We're heading up Giant Mountain. Should be up there for the sunset. That'll be pretty sick. I don't know if we're allowed to park overnight where we did, but right now we're just stoked to be getting up in the mountains in late September.
So wet, boys.
You guys dusted me.
This kid dusted. I was just struggling.
I'm wet.
I'm moist.
No, I mean, it was 2017.
We just made it to the top of Rocky Ridge Peak, I think. I don't know exactly what it's called, but we just hammered up there to make it to see the sunset. It was about 4.6 miles. We just did it in 2 hours. 4,000 feet elevation gain, 1,000 down. I was struggling. The boys were pulling me up, but it was worth it for that sunset. And now we're just doing a quick hop down to our little campsite. Gonna cook some dogs. It's gonna be great.
Fuck smoke soup.
Retreat.
Take two.
Oh. Kern.
Got it.
One more, boys.
Yes. Yay! Professionals.
Get the rest.
Third course right here. Big boy gets the pot.
I'll leave you your vegetables.
I don't know. I'm a huge eater guy. So.
No, they'd send us with cake mix, and so we would just take that, and like we wouldn't even cook it fully. We just kind of like mix it, and then just like eat it like a pudding.
Ew.
It was so good. It was so sugary. It was just like warm cake batter.
Dude, I was
made it down about 5,000 feet, which is nuts. Now we just need a hitchhike back to our car, which hopefully will be easy. And then we can just swim, get some brunch, and head home.
Yeah. Sure.
Bryce.
What are you majoring in?
I'm studying mechanical engineering.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah.
That's what my dad was.
Another kind soul named Chuck has given us a ride right to our car and dropped us off right at this beautiful lake. I think we're gonna have to stop and get some hamburgers and hot dogs from his truck on the way back, because it's very kind of him.